everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So this is just gonna be a very short vlog and we're just gonna update you guys. I bought a car! Hindi ko na pala sabihin pero yan. Ano to, B? Ano to ulit?
Honda Accord.
Honda Accord, and Mark's driving because I don't know how to drive and I don't have any license yet, but I'm gonna get one very soon.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi naman siya impulse buy because I really was planning to buy a new car, not a new car, but a car last year pa. Medyo na-oddblock na nga lang kasi hindi kami nakahanap. We weren't able to find something that is pasok sa budget. Pero kahapon kasi we were with Mark's family and then we were looking around. After eating, yung ninong mo, ninong niya, naghahanap-hanap sila ng kotse. And then, yun, bigla na lang may in-offer na something like this and we're here. After one day, binalikan namin. I finally have a car. Now I need to learn how to drive. Or may driver na lang ako si Mark. B, driver. Yay! So that's just our short update. We're gonna go to the car wash para ano siya, hugasan siya. It's not a new car, pero okay nito. It's automatic siya. Automatic. Maganda naman yung interiors niya and kasama namin yung papa ni Mark kanina. Mark's dad and his dad's friend helped us like with checking and stuff, you know. So happy. But this means that I won't be able to spend as much like I used to before, like order ng Jollibee. So this just means papayat ako, guys. Abangan nyo, papayat na talaga ako kasi I won't be able to eat out as much. So, yun. We'll see you at the car wash. Now here at the local car wash. Finally done with the car wash. Tagal-tagal nun parang 3,000 years. Ako na lang maghugas ng sarili, pero okay lang. Malinis, malinis. Love it. Linis nga, linis talaga nila. We're gonna get the car registered today at LTO Tagaytay. Mark's driving as usual. Be hi! I started the car. Marunong na ako mag-start. Step 1. Yay! We are now here at the emission testing center, one of the steps ba? Pag kukuha ka ng new car, so kailangan na ipatest yung emission. Tama ba? Tambutso, tama? Ayan. We're gonna vlog how it works.
Lock mo yung pinto mo.
No. So we've been waiting for about, wait lang B, for about ilang hours na sa emission.
Hindi naman
ilang minutes sa emission testing center. Ay, ang tagal kasi ang dami nakapila.
Pero malapit
tapos,
na tayo.
Oo, tapos nag-lunch break. The men there had, nag-lunch break sila. Kasi gutom na sila. So, mag-eat lang kami ng lunch. Tapos babalik na lang kami. Ang tagal pala nun. Hi B!
Hello!
We're here at Sinigang Express.
Sinangag.
Ay, sorry. Sinangag Express here. Right beside Bali Village Hotel and... Uy! Resort to be?
Oo, sa kaibigan ni Papa yan.
Yan, we're gonna have lunch. Medyo tipid kami sa lunch, you know. Tipid kami sa lahat ngayon. So, you won't be able to see us eat out as much. Pero okay lang. The sacrifices you have to make because of buying a car. That's my friend Janica, and that's her sister. Si Janica yan, big. Hi Janica! I've met Janica way back pa talaga. Since sobrang tagal na, as in, hindi na kami masyadong nakaka-hangout. Pero ang cool siya yan. Pero parang lumang picture na yan. If you don't know Janica, it's not possible na hindi siya kalala. Siya si Buko Girl. Tama diba? Buko Girl. Hi Janica! Hi ka. Hi! Our food is here, so we have sinangag. Ayan, tapa. Ay, ano to?
Tapsilog.
Tapsi, ayun, tapsilog. Tapsi? Ay, hindi. Ano ba yun? Tapa, sinangag, itlog. Kaya tapsilog. And then I have Coke. Then kay Mark, ganun din. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So we're going home to Manila now and Mark's driving. Mark's gonna drive me back home until I learn how to drive by myself. But before that, we're gonna get the registration of the car from LTO Tagaytay. Yay! Uwi na kami! Hindi na kami nasa bus. Okay.